Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode of Cooking with Kirby, we're going to be making something that the kids love. Some pigs in the blanket. This is my daughter, Jasmine. Say hi, Jasmine. Hi. You hungry? Yeah. You want a little snack? Yeah. Alright, let's get into the recipe. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. Alright, Jasmine, you ready to cook?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what we're doing today. We got some Hillshire Farm Little Smokies. Now these are going to be the perfect size for the kiddos, plus they'll be able to pick them up with a toothpick or something. And then we're going to need some Pillsbury Doughboy croissant dough. Now this is going to be really easy to make, so let's start assembling these.
It's going to be delicious.
It's going to be delicious, huh? Alright, let's do it. Let's try one of these. Oh yeah, that's gonna make a good pig in a blanket. Boom! Oh, it popped.
It just popped open.
All right, so we're gonna take our dough, our perfect dough, Jasmine, and we're gonna make it not so perfect. Okay, we're gonna roll it out. Now these are too big for those little tiny wieners, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some of it.
And save some, right, Daddy?
Well, actually, we're gonna use them all. See, so we got the little.
So we're gonna just follow those lines?
We sure are, my love. We're gonna make little triangles out of these, but we're gonna just separate the dough really quick, and then we'll get your piggies in a blanket all done. This is easy stuff right here, Jazzy.
Because we just have to cut them and roll them up with that.
Okay, so we're gonna take this. We'll probably, let's see, these are yay high, so we'll probably cut right here and probably cut like right here. Kind of just have to stretch this one out to make it look like a triangle. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do, Jazzy. Okay, we're gonna go from this back end. Okay, start off on this back end. See, because you want the little things to stick out. Okay.
And we have to roll.
We have to roll it just like that, so that way when you bake it, you got this little lump right here.
Okay, can I try?
Yep. All right, you try it now, Jazzy. All right, so once you have them rolled, we're gonna go ahead and put them on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Excuse this one, daughter did this one. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and roll it up. Just like that. Go ahead and make sure you get a seal on there, and then just place it on a baking sheet. So this actually does make a lot. So now all we're gonna be doing is just buttering with a little bit of melted butter right here on top, and this is gonna give it a nice golden look on it. Now this actually makes quite a bit. I'm talking about maybe 3.5 dozen of these little smokies, pig in a blanket. So yeah, easy appetizer. You can do it with your kids. As you can see, some of them are a little funky because I have my daughter, you know, wrap them with me. But pretty cool little activity, and it gets her in the kitchen. Now in a preheated oven, we're gonna be letting these bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. This is actually a very easy appetizer. Now, this recipe made 45 pigs in a blanket? I mean, of course we ate some because we were snacking. We had to taste test it. But we're actually gonna taste it now. Get you one, Jasmine. Just like that. What do you want, ketchup?
Ketchup.
All right, you do ketchup. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of ketchup and some mustard. Gotta have some mustard on there, Jasmine. Cheers, y'all. Good stuff? Thumbs up. Well, as you can see, we got some eating to do. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. As always, I'll leave a link in the video description and in the comment section, so that way you can go to cookingwithkirby.com to get the full printable recipe. I have these recipes. They're really good and you should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care. Say bye.
Bye.